Meet Carol. Carol is a real estate agent serving her neighborhood for over 10 years. She's helped many of her neighbors with their real estate needs. This is Janice and Tom. They worked with Carol when they bought their home 7 years ago. They've just closed on a new home a few miles away, but did not work with Carol. Janice and Tom loved working with Carol and gave her a great review. So why didn't Janice and Tom call Carol when they decided to sell their home? According to the 2021 National Association of Realtors profile of buyers and sellers, 93% of consumers surveyed said they would work with their agent again, but only 13% do. Relying on past clients to reach out to you at the time they may be thinking of moving is clearly not working, but HomeKeepr does. HomeKeepr is a first-of-its-kind homeowner dashboard where homeowners can manage everything home. HomeKeepr gives homeowners the tools they need, like instant estimates for home repairs, notifications when homes are listed or sold in their neighborhood, and an easy-to-use directory of service professionals personally recommended by local realtors. And HomeKeepr monitors your contacts through social, search, and spending data points to identify life events most likely to trigger a move, such as engagements, new babies, or divorces. HomeKeepr notifies you when one of your contacts scores as a likely mover, giving you the opportunity to connect with your contact before they reach out to another agent. HomeKeepr is a valuable homeowner resource your homeowners will appreciate, while giving you the insight you need to close more deals from your sphere.